How to switch account type on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to switch account type on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting and click on account, scroll down and click on switch account type. Now you can switch to a business account or switch to a personal account. And you choose whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna switch to a personal account. And now switch to a personal account. When you switch back to a personal account, an app and site will be turned off, and site from all your content, including your ads, will be permanently removed. Now click on switch to personal account, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.